Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn the techniques for painting a fruit composition with gouache. Fruits are a common subject in still life painting because of their rich shapes, colors, and light shadow variations. They are great for practicing form and color expression. Step 1. Composition and sketching. Before painting, we need to determine the composition. The arrangement of the fruits should have a clear focal point and a sense of hierarchy. You can use triangular or diagonal compositions to make the painting more dynamic. Lightly sketch the basic shapes of the fruits with a pencil or a gouache brush, paying attention to their proportions and perspective to ensure a harmonious layout. Step 2. Blocking in the base colors. Gouache painting emphasizes an overall color harmony. Start by using a large brush to lay down the base colors for each fruit. For example, an apple can have warm red tones. A banana should be painted with bright yellows, and grapes can be depicted with purples or deep blues. Pay attention to the warm and cool color relationships to create depth and contrast in your painting. Step 3. Creating volume and light effects. The sense of volume in fruits is mainly conveyed through light and shadow contrasts. Light usually comes from a single direction, so observe the highlight, midtone, and shadow areas on each fruit. Highlights should be painted with high purity colors. Midtones should have a gradual transition, and shadows can incorporate cool or complementary colors to add depth. Don't forget reflections and cast shadows. They help enhance realism and the three-dimensional effect of the painting. Step 4. Refining details and adjustments. Once the basic forms and lighting are in place, use a smaller brush to refine the textures and details of each fruit. For example, an apple may have tiny speckles, an orange has a bumpy skin texture, and grapes may appear slightly translucent. You can use a wet and wet technique to softly blend highlights for a more natural look. Finally, adjust the overall color balance and enhance contrasts between the fruits to create a visually appealing composition. The key to painting a gouache fruit composition lies in composition, color, harmony, light, and shadow, and details. When practicing, focus on the overall effect rather than getting lost in the details. Mastering color relationships and volume building will help you create more vivid and layered fruit paintings. Keep practicing and improve your painting skills. That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.